Guys, we are doing another shoot. We got Austin up here with his Golf R. We got our Sony a74 24-70 from Sigma, and we're also using a new filter today from Freewell. It's an ND filter and a circular polarizer in one, so we're going to be using that today. And yeah, no mist filter today, just all CPL NDs, and then yeah, let's get into it. Sweet, sweet. It's a little wet.
Oh, nice.
It's a little wet still, but all good.
Yeah.
Well,
always got to put in the work.
Oh, always know it. Alright, what are we at? We're at a 4.
Is all your stuff like 100% waterproof?
Oh, yeah.
Okay, that's good.
Oh, yes.
My camera says it's water resistant, but I don't know if I trust that. So.
Well, yeah, theoretically mine's still water resistant, but it's better than...
As long as you don't drop it in a puddle or something.
Yeah. Yeah, if you don't do that, you're fine.
Dude, it's crazy. I haven't like gone to your profile in a while, and I was like, oh my god, 250,000 followers.
Yeah, it's okay. It's been okay.
That's crazy. I'm so used to just seeing your posts all the time.
I know. I did take like a 2-week break from not posting a thing.
Oh, yeah,
I was in like a bit.
Just the full creative break. Like.
Yeah, I was like in a big like rut of like I don't even know what to post. Like, should I just get a normal job? Like, I don't know. And so I was like, fuck it, we'll just do one post. It did well. It did like 500,000 views, and I was like, all right, sure, let's just keep going with it. I guess it still works.
Fair.
But it was weird. But now I'm just in the mindset of if I want to grow more, and I say I'm like only getting like, I don't know, example, 10,000 views on a reel. Well, instead of just complaining that I'm only getting a certain amount of views, just post that same type of video 3 more times in that day. So then you get more eyes on your page.
Yeah.
So that's the mindset I'm doing right now, kind of.
So it's a mix between trying to find the perfect quality that people will garnish attention on its own, and just putting out enough content.
Exactly, yeah.
Even your current people have something to look at still in mind of
yeah.
you. It is also like peak non-car season, so
I know. Although for some reason I love this time of year.
I do too.
Like, I love the forest element, the rain, the wetness. It adds so much detail to it.
Yeah.
Because like I can shoot like the raindrops coming off your windows.
Yeah.
For videos, it does well
like
too.
A subject almost.
Yeah. And it's also different. It's like, oh, you see so many cars in the in the sun, golden hour. Not many people or owners in general want to take their car out in the rain on gravel roads and stuff like that. So
Fair.
yeah, it's when you see it, it's like, oh wow, that's like so cool. They're doing something like they're almost like breaking the rules type of thing, if that makes sense.
Not that I need it, but if you want to do some really like darker, moody style shots and really focus on getting like the width status couple things in it.
Yeah, I can do that for sure.
Probably send them a couple of the photos after, and
yeah, I can definitely do that for sure.
If there's any way to make the car look low from a specific angle, those are the best angles too for that.
Okay, yeah.
Window mirror visors too.
Oh yeah, I have those on my car. I love them.
And then also I have a fuzzy dice that has their brand on it.
Nice. Okay, sweet. Oh, you're good. You're good. You're good. Yeah, trying out a new CPL and like filter today.
Oh yeah?
It's an ND filter and a CPL all in one. So
you just swap it.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so handy.
Yeah, so it's like you can see, and then I can like go darker for video. So if it's like really bright out and such, I can like control it without having to change my settings.
Really good video.
Yeah. And then also a CPL built in.
Oh, that's so handy.
So yeah, like that's
wow.
With the CPL.
It's so cinematic. Like if I just took my camera and held it here on the exact same settings, it would look like so bad. I bet.
Yeah, it's crazy what you can do with just a simple CPL. It'll do wonders. It's weird.
very familiar with is Photoshop. I use it a lot for work.
Okay, sweet.
Graphic stuff.
That helps out a lot then.
It does help a lot. That with Lightroom.
Oh, that was a lot of water on my back. I did not realize that.
Built up in your hood.
No kidding, yeah, jeez. Sweet, okay. Oh, you're...
I like those shots you do where the lights glare a ton too. Like,
Oh, okay, yeah.
I've tried to replicate that so many times.
I have brushes that I use for that.
Oh, okay. I don't ever auto edit and I don't use filters. I just mask things
Yep.
and change the brightness.
Yeah, that's mostly all it really is. So I might be getting a Golf R possibly soon.
Really? What year? If you know.
Possibly 19, or a 17. Do you have a, like, what would you choose if you had a choice?
The 19 is like the most sought after per
Okay.
se. It's the last of non-digital everything.
It's a digital cockpit.
It does have digital cockpit, but it doesn't have the infotainment.
Oh, okay.
Digital.
Oh, okay. So there's no CarPlay then?
There is.
Oh,
It's
okay.
wired only.
Oh,
So you
okay.
have to just plug your phone in.
Okay.
But it's essentially the most refined of the Mark 7s.
Because I don't want a Mark 8, because I know the Mark 8s you can't tune fully
There's not a ton
yet.
of platforms out there.
Yeah.
And same with like aftermarket stuff in general.
Yeah, so, because I know the goal eventually is to build it for my channel and like go into something similar-ish to what Jake Schnatter does, but not fully.
Like half into here's my build and things I'm doing.
But
and
let's go.
here's my
But
art
let's go.
and
But
my-
let's go road trip it and take photos of it the whole way through.
Yeah.
That's the goal. Like, still have it as a daily, but
like some cool car events and
exactly.
sites and
Yeah.
film your trip and do a
Exactly.
vlog.
And like maybe get sponsored eventually by Cobb or whoever else or
Yeah.
whatnot. So that's the goal. That's the vision. It's
If
just
you had a car and you posted it regularly, you would get any sponsorship you want.
yeah. Because I know is like I'm gonna make a new car account
Yeah.
that I'm gonna collab with
Yeah.
my creator account. So that's the goal. It's just that I don't know if I should get a GTI. Do I get an R? Do I get whatever else?
If you get an R, it's got to be blue, and we got to shoot them together.
Oh, I want white. I like white cars.
All good, all good.
I love white cars. White cars are my favorite. Only because they're easy to shoot, honestly.
Yeah, they look so good at night.
But also, like, this car in this area looks so good too, though. It's so good. Just like, yeah, like, I'm eventually maybe wanting to wrap it or something. Like, it'll be like the media of Luke or something, or like, because I want to like brand it to like I do rollers with it as well.
Yeah.
So we'll see what happens.
Then they see your car, they see both pages. It's
Exactly.
Custom wrap.
Yeah. And like I want to build it with like people in the community, so like having like you guys work on it or help me work on it and like make you guys bigger and stuff like that. So that's the goal. Like the community has helped me bring it together and everything. That's the ideas of it. So we'll see how everything tunes out. I feel. You're good? Have you done anything to your other car, or
Sorry?
have you done anything to your other car, or not recently?
Well, I'm
'Cause
still paying off the 1JZ I bought.
I wonder if I can shoot through.
So just some basic cosmetic things.
Okay. Feels like it's getting more foggy.
Yeah, it is. Sweeping back in a bit.
Yeah. Let's see, will I fall?
Is it hard to capture fog?
Not too much. it can be a bit difficult here and there, but I have ways to make it stand out a bit more.
Oh.
It's hard to know if this is in focus or not with the rain on my screen. Oh, it's really foggy now. Jeez.
Yeah, I had that issue the other day actually. I took some pictures on camera. He was focusing on the raindrop. Didn't even, like, read my code.
Okay. How's the iPhone Air doing for you?
Pretty good actually. I do miss not having a 0.5 cam,
Yep.
but I've been living.
Fair.
I just want to get a proper wide angle for my camera.
Yep. What camera are you on again?
I just got a Canon RP.
Oh, okay.
Last summer.
So you're full frame. Okay.
Yeah, I just got full frame. Don't have a very good lens, just like the
The kit.
kit lens that comes with it.
Was that a 24 to 105 or is it?
Yeah.
Okay. That's like the 4 to 7.1.
I think so.
Okay. Yeah, that's pretty good. It's all basically all this is. It's just this is 24 to 70,
Okay.
but this is 2.8, so it's you get more like depth of field better. But you can still fake it in Lightroom still.
Just blur the back a little bit. Or...
No, they have like a depth of field thing
Oh.
that you put your mask over the car, and then you can choose whether you want the foreground out of focus or the background or both.
Oh, interesting.
Yeah, it's interesting.
I haven't used that in a while.
It's like a new AI feature or whatever.
I haven't, like, been taking.
Wash off in the little stream. There we go. Don't have the vesties on today. Can't do full waterproof. And yeah, the good thing about this filter as well is like you think, oh, you just took it off. Like, what are you doing? Magnet.
Oh.
So then you
Mine
can.
got stuck once.
Oh
I
yeah.
had to get like some fucking like a flathead screwdriver and
Oh yep.
put it against the pins and kind of hit it till it unscrewed.
Yeah. I've done that. I've done filters like that before. I had to like buy a whole new thing just to like wrench it off type thing. And I was like,
Okay.
so I have those if you ever need them again. But
If I ever get stuck again,
yeah.
I'll keep it on there till I see it.
Yeah, you can really see the fog come through on the camera too. Like, I'll fix the CPO.
Oh yeah, you barely see the color of the trunks behind the tree. It's crazy.
Yeah, it's really coming through right now. It's
I love that
crazy.
the ground reflects so much of the light.
Oh, that's why I love shooting in the rain because you get so much reflections as well. Sweet. And then we'll try and do some rollers on the road because the rain looks like it's slowing down a lot more. So that is helpful.